So I thought it made sense that I also give you a couple of examples of customers where we've done this. So, the solution is not something that we've implemented a couple of times. There's 30 plus instances of implementing it across complex organizations in the manufacturing area. Here's a couple of snapshots. In particular, this situation on the left-hand side, Cabka, who are a manufacturer around recycled plastics. They had some concerns and issues around the engineering solutions. They had a desire for better transparency and margin. Production efficiencies were an area they wanted to focus on. So, absolutely we delivered this in a rapid fashion. And immediate benefits around savings, local applications. So, reduction of complexity in their IT, centralization on their master data, again, is another area which we routinely see as a target challenge across any organization. On the right-hand side, the organization NMC, who are an organization that had some issues around their own ERP solution. Typical benefits, again, are highlighted here around management and control of their inventory levels. They had a desire for increased efficiency around their accounts life cycle. So again, these benefits are almost immediately realized having implemented this. So this is all embedded within the FAST template. We understand how this can be delivered for these sorts of organizations in a repetitive fashion. So the intelligence is in the template, and the processes that are aligned around that are all aligned around specific industry.